Some people work harder than others. Some have it, some don't. Then there are the very few ones who are just born with it.
Finish!
They are the gifted.
The zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sir,
Yes, Aika.
1111.11.
Sir, kumukulo ako.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
HUNU, the state fish of Hawaii.
Correct, palapakan naman natin sa atin.
And the left side, great score. Problem solving and math writing. And the right, creativity, art, and music.
Brainy talaga kayo ha? Gusto nyo kayo nilang magturo?
Hi Dad, pinatawag mo ba ako?
Yes, dear, I just want to talk to you.
Just go straight to the point.
You have to graduate on top of your class.
But I am
Hindi top 2, hindi second best, the best.
But I am the best.
Alam mo ba, yung mga classmates natin, nag-outing sila. Hindi tayo sinama.
Bakit ka naman isama nun? Close ba kayo? Saka, paano mo nalaman?
Si Jenny, di ba? Kapit-bahay ko. Ang sinabi niya sa akin.
Saan naman sila nagpunta?
Sa Cavite.
Yeah, Cavite. Naiingit kayo. Wala nga white sand doon. You're so cheap talaga.
You see, it's all chemical. There's nothing magical about it. Lahat yun nanggaling sa utak at wala sa puso, no? Everything is explained by science.
Basta, gusto ko pa rin ma-in love.
Ah, you're so pathetic and a loser.
Talo ka. Kanina pa ako tapos, oh. Zoe, may tatanong ako sa'yo.
Ano yan?
Pangit ba ako? Be honest. Pangit ba?
Well, matalino ka. Okay, change topic. Let's talk about me.
I was a student in at the St. John High School. I am a member of the team of the football team. That's all.
Okay ka na? Come on, dali lang. Okay ka lang? Kaya mo yan. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zoe Tuaza, and I am your valedictorian. Myself, on the other hand, I only have one person who has continually inspired me throughout the years to be my best. Isang taong naging inspirasyon ko sa lahat ng achievements ko dito sa eskwelahan na ito. Isang taong mahal na mahal ko. Ang taong ito ay walang iba kundi ako. Because if there's only one who can truly appreciate how special you are, it's yourself. And that's why I am the best. You're such a loser talaga.
Hindi ko lagi ang nilayo. Kung gusto mo, saksak mo sa bibig. Tapos, lapunin mo, asawahin mo.
Oh my gosh, your words so plus. Parang kang anak ng palengkera ha. Parang ka pala ng palengkera.
May regalo nga pala ako sa'yo. Happy graduation! Bangkok pills yan. Huwag mo nang itanong sa akin kung saan ko nabili.
But of course, I'm more thoughtful than because I have the perfect gift for you. Happy graduation! I hope you like it. Buksan mo na now, loser. Wow, it's so bagay for you.
Pag tinabik ko to at nakita ko kung anong laman ng Indoro, ikaw ang maalala ko. You dirty.
Desidido si Zoe na sa pagbalik niya sa Pilipinas, ibang Zoe na ang makikilala ng lahat.
You've been here for so long.
But she's so fat.
I'm very tired.
I'm sleepy. I'm hungry.
Ipinangako rin ni Aika sa sarili na sa bagong kabanatang ito ng buhay niya, para magtagumpay, hindi na sapat maging matalino lang. Natutunan niya na kailangan maging maganda. Hindi lang basta maganda. Magandang maganda.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Ma'am, hindi ko talaga kung marunong mag-Japanese.
The function room under General Variety.
Just go straight and turn right.
I'm really just trying to help. Thanks, but no thanks. Binili mo na kayong graduation natin. Pati ba naman ngayon yun? Bibilhin mo pa?
Ay, sabi ko naman sa inyo, yung magjo-joke na lang tayo.
Sige.
Yuck!
I told you, people change.
People never change. Science tells us your genetic imprints predetermines your fate, your choices, and your character. Pinanganak kang bobo, lalaki kang bobo, mamamatay kang bobo. And you are so weak, soft, and shallow. Anong akala mo? Mamahalin ka niya maging sino ka man? He will never love you for who you are. He loves you for what you've become. Fake. Fake boobs, fake teeth, fake nose, fake everything. Shut up! Bumalik ka na sa dati mong anyo.
Hindi mo ba ako naging kaibigan?